Assalamualaikum and hi to our lecturer and my fellow friends. We are from Group 4. I am Nazira Binti Sufyan. Will present the introduction. In an embedded system, a microcontroller is a small integrated circuit that governs a certain operation. On a single chip, a microcontroller contains a CPU, memory, and input-output peripherals. A microcontroller is a device that is integrated into a system and controls a single function. It accomplishes this by employing its core CPU to evaluate data received from its input or output peripherals. Okay, the PIC 16F877A microcontroller is used in this project to design a multifunction microcontroller. The program's purpose is to operate the main program, which is a key operation that displays a random 2-digit number based on which key is pushed. The interrupt service routine ISR program is another action that will control the LED with a push button. This is our flowchart delay routine. The delay flowchart symbol depicts any waiting period that is part of a process. Delay shapes are common in process mapping. As the name states, any process step that is a preparation process flow step, such as a setup operation. Manual operation flowchart shapes show which process steps are not automated. This is our flowchart main program.
Hi, my name is Linga Shinyana Perempuan Pillai and my metric number is CN200131. Today we are going to show you a demo of how we did the project. So first of all, in the server segment, it must be display our group number, which is 04. So for that, we have included the binary number here. So it will display 04 at port C. And then we have also included the binary number for the LED. So the LED are on at G4. Then for the main program of this project, for in column 1, row 1, which is a button 1, will when we click the button 1, it will display one number, which is 17. I already inserted in this coding. And then for the row 2 column 1, which is button 4, it will display 3 numbers, which is 95, 97 and 99. At the column 2, row 1 column 2, which is button 2, displays 2, will display two numbers, which is 08 and 17. And row 2 column 2, the display 4, it will display 14, 21, 35 and 48 at port C. That's all for the main program. And then the ISR program, here we have inserted at port B, which is 7, it is custom 3, 6 is custom 2, 5 is custom 1 and 4 is custom 0. For the blinking corresponding LEDs, here we have inserted the binary number, which is the 1 is it will turn on the light, and then the 0 is with blink as delay 2 seconds. For 2 times it will blink, so the LED at G4 and 5 will turn on. After that, for the custom 1, which is the first first 3 LEDs will turn on, and then it will turn off for 2 times. It will blink for 2 times, and then same to custom 2. It will blink as 2 times, and same to custom 3. This is the coding for our project. So let's see at the Proteus file how we execute it. This is the output, how we build, and we get it successfully. Build successful. So let's see at the Proteus circuit. So this is the Proteus file we have already drawn. Here I've already inserted the hexa file in the PIC. So just click to run the coding. So when we run the coding, it will display 04 and the LED G4 will turn on. After that, for the main program, we click the button 1, it will display 17, only one number. At button 2, it will display 08 and 17. At the button 4, it will display 3 numbers, which is 95, 97 and 99. And at the button 5, it will display 4 numbers, which is 13, 21, 35 and 48. That's all for the main program. So let's go for the ISR program. When the button BT1 pressed, it has the interrupt, so the G4 and G5 will turn on. Blink. After that, BT2 in the G0, G1 and G2 will blink for 2 times, and when we press the BT3, it will blink. The LED will blink G0, G1 and G4 and G5. After that, when we click the button BT4, the LEDs will blink as same as the previous. So that's all from us. Thank you.
Okay. For the result start of program, when the button 1 is pressed, the 7 segment will display 2 different digit number, which is 04, that represent our group number. Then for main program button 1, when button 1 is pressed, the 7 segment display 2 digit number, which is 17. For button 2, the 7 segment display 2 digit number, which is 08, 17. And for button 4, the 7 segment display 2 digit number, which is 95, 97 and 99. For button 5, the 7 segment display 2 digit number, which is 48, 21, 35 and 13. Okay, for ISR interrupt service routine, when press button 1, 2 LED will blink 2 times. When press button 2, 3 LED will blink 2 times. And for button 3, 4 LED will blink 2 times. For 5 LED will blink 2 times.